Hi, it's Leif again, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Machiniste drum machine with one-shots and pattern tracks. First, let's go to our library. Down here is the one-shot button, so over here. Once you click this, only bits of sound called one-shots will appear in your library. One-shots are designed specifically for your Machiniste. So, let's go up to drum. So now that we've clicked drum, let's find a suitable kick sound. So let's click kick, and it should come up with only kick sounds. I think I'll just go with the first one. So once you've chosen your kick, you click on it and drag it right into your Machiniste in one of these areas. I'm gonna put it right at the top, and once it's loaded, it'll be ready for you right there. Now let's do the same with everything else. I'm gonna take off the kick and find a suitable hi-hat. So let's find hat. Alright, pedal hi-hat. Sounds good. Ah, well, there's only one there, but let's use it anyway. Okay, once that's loaded, we'll go back into drums and find a good snare. Snare. Nah, nope. Yep, sounds good. Okay, those three drum sounds should be. If you click around here, it'll make the noise that you've selected. So over here in kick, let's press the play button, and you can see this orange light going across. I'm going to click here. Okay, there. Oops, I wanted the snare. Okay, I hope now you know how to use that bit of the Machiniste. So over here, these scale buttons change the scale of your Machiniste. So let me show you. And these range buttons depend on the length of your actual Machiniste. So for example, if you type 64 in here, so I'm going to press shift then up to go in 16s. So 64, okay, and this 1 will show my first 16, and this 2 will show my second 16 of the 64. This 3 will show my third 16, if you know what I'm getting at. Okay, so let me put this back down to 16. Okay, if you grab one of these, just hold down the mouse and drag downwards, you can see that the light is dimming and growing more bright. That's the modulation. So that's how your song's going to be heard. So let me give you an example. Well, I forgot I didn't actually have effects on there right now, but modulation is how much the effect is affecting them, if you know what I'm talking about. And each of these little outputs affect each of these um, you know one shots. Now this is the pattern track bit. Up here you will see that that A is selected in the bank, so it's bank A, and it's 1 selected in the pattern, so it's pattern 1. This means that if we have a pattern track open down here, it'll be shown as A1. So let's add one. Add pattern track, Machiniste, and we'll go pattern track, click it, and A1 will be there, and this is this. Let's make a new one. So let's make, I don't know, C7, and then we'll just make it random, blah 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 blah. Okay, and let's play it. Oh wait, let's put it in there now. And if you remember from before, we go play button. Oops. Yep, now play button. Switch pattern. C7. That's the one right there. And it'll be C7. So let's click play. And we should see on the Machiniste it changing. Okay then, that's pretty much it about the Machiniste. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson and learnt a lot. See ya, have fun making drum patterns, I guess.